I go by the name Enrol, a student of Bright International School and also the Girls School Prefect of Bright International School. I'm here to recommend Bright International School to every parent who wants to bring his or her well to a basic school. I know every parent wants the best for his or her child, but I'm recommending Bright International School as one of the best basic schools for the parent to bring his or her well. Pertaining our facilities, we have full air-conditioned classrooms, including our dormitories, and a hygienic place for our students to live. And in the part of our nutrition, they cook hygienic food for our health, for every student to be active and have the energy for learning. Bright International School is located in the Eastern Region, Koforidua, 2 Streams last stop. For further information, you can check under your screen the numbers flowing. Thank you very much. Hello viewers, so I go by the name Dr. Koforidua, the Protocol Prefect in Bright International School. What inspired me to come into Bright International School is that they perform best in the BC examination, and our school also offers a curriculum activities such as the GES, British and the Canadian curriculum, and our school also engages students into the social club activities such as drama club, girls guide, Red Cross Society, Spelling Bee, and many more. And our school also have excellent teachers who teaches us to our understanding. Here I am in Bright International School. I go by the name of Basic 5. What inspired me to come to Bright International School is that they have nice facilities and treat their students well as possible. They also have nice classrooms which helps learning go easier and faster. I like Bright International School because I like how they represent themselves in front of an audience. Thank you.
Hello viewers, I go by the name Kaylan Wahime Champo. I am a student of Bright International School. I am in class 6. What inspired me to Bright International School is how they teach and how they learn. They have fun activities like footballing and all those stuff. They learn hard. The teachers teach to our understanding. Washroom facilities are good for us the students. Boarding school is there. The food they serve is nice. Boarders have places to sleep and food to eat. In every classroom there is light, air conditioning, fan and all those stuff. We even have cameras and television everywhere. So bring your words to Bright International School for a better future. Thank you.
A printing machine prints 600 books in 3 hours. How many books will the machine print in 5 hours? Bright.
1,000 books.
Bright is correct. Bright is correct. It is 1,000 books. Excellent. State the organ secreting the following hormone. State the organ secreting the following hormone. Bright. Yes.
The pancreas.
That is correct. For a bonus. For a bonus.
Bright International School. CO.
Carbon monoxide.
That is correct for 3 points. How many elements are in Ca, open brackets, OH, close brackets, subscript 2? Bright International School.
3 elements.
3 elements is correct for 4 points. A preamble to all schools. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. You have 1 attempt only. I start with you, Bright International School. Heat energy is transferred due to a temperature difference.
True.
Correct for Bright International School. The rate of interest in simple interest is always expressed as a decimal.
False.
Correct for 3 points.
Bright. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction.
True.
It is true. You are correct. It is true. Casting of iron is a physical change. Bright.
False.
It is false. That is correct. In word processing program, lines, block arrows, and flow charts are found on which of the following two bars? Right? Insect is correct. Insect is correct.
Bright International School, your main question. You are to state 3 functions of the red blood cells.
It transports oxygen using hemoglobin. It also carries nutrients and other substances in the body. And also, the red blood cells help give the blood its red color.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. I am a geographic region with distinct features to explore. Some call me a home, a place where they can hide. Some say I am a niche, a realm, or an ecological space. I am a natural environment where various species. Bright International School.
Habitat.
That is correct for 3 points. 2 numbers are in the ratio 3:7. Their sum is 100. Find the 2 numbers. Bright International School.
30 and 70.
That is correct. And so we finally have broken the tie. Thank you very much. And so at the end of 4 rounds of this contest, Advent Reformed Institute, you scored 20 points. Petals Education Center, 23 points. And Bright International School at Enyinem, 27 points. This makes Bright International School at Enyinem our winners for this evening's contest.